So, how does Fairtrade actually work? Well, we have got people here in the UK. Those people in the UK will pay a little bit extra for Fairtrade products. That means that farmers, this is our farmer, mainly in LICs, will then get a fair price for their products. Now, if farming communities are getting a fair price for their products, that will mean there will be additional income coming in. But where does that income go? Well, this is the key bit. So that additional income, which is coming in from Fairtrade, will then be invested, I for investment. But into what? So the investment from that additional money will go into different areas of society. So for example, we will have education, healthcare, and infrastructure. So we will be investing in schools, hospitals, and infrastructure. And when I say infrastructure, I'm talking about roads, railways, bridges, ports, airports, sewage pipes, electricity pipes, all the things that we need as a society to function. So if people are getting better qualifications and skills in schools, if people are having better health and living longer, and of course if society has everything it needs, roads, railways, ports, etc., what that means is that will attract further investment, I for investment, from large TNCs, transnational corporations. Because a TNC is going to want to invest in a place that has good schools, because that place would have a skilled workforce. A TNC is going to want to invest in a place with good healthcare, because that place would have a healthy workforce. A TNC is going to want to invest in a place with good infrastructure, because that will help them to make profit. Now, if a TNC invests in that area because these three things are getting much better, this will lead to additional jobs for local people. Now, those jobs will likely be secondary or tertiary jobs, and then people that live within that region, that community, can now get higher paid jobs working for those transnational corporations. So there you have it. How does Fairtrade support development? Farmers, communities get a fair price for their produce. Therefore, they can invest that money in education, healthcare, and infrastructure. When these three things improve, it will attract further investment from large TNCs. This will create additional further jobs within the region. Those jobs will be secondary and tertiary, which will pay more money than primary.